Hello everybody and welcome to Organic Gardening Together. My name is Paulie and today we are focusing on our eggplants, our long purple variety. These plants were planted 6 weeks ago and we're going to be going week by week. I'm going to be posting a video every Saturday or Sunday and we're going to learn how to grow these bad boys together. Now, I planted 6 of them pretty close apart, like 3 inches apart, when really they're supposed to be planted 14 inches apart at least. And so I'm doing this to see what turns out the best plants and then pull them from there. If you saw in the back there, a lot of the back ones are looking really crappy and the front ones are looking bigger. There's really no shadowing there, so I'm really surprised. Here is the rest of my garden, and this is week 6. So it says the days to maturity is normally 70 to 80 days. It grows about 24 to 30 inches tall, and it requires full sun, which we have here, full sun. I mean, the beans next to it are kind of blocking it out, you know. So I think next week I'm going to see which ones are the biggest and then thin the herd and pull what I can. And yeah, leave messages in the comments, you know, teach me how to grow, you know, these eggplants, and, you know, we'll learn together. You know, I have a whole bunch of videos with all the different plants, and I'll be doing week by week. Now I'm trying to grow things that I like to eat. You know, the point of this is to become self-sufficient and learn together how to just grow our own food safely and cheaply. And this will be a full organic grow. You know, the sandy, well-draining soil is on the bottom. I added organic soil, and there's organic topsoil on top, and I planted in that. And this is 6 weeks later. So we'll take it week by week, and I appreciate you watching this video. Stay tuned, and we'll learn how to cultivate and harvest our own long purple eggplants together. I'm not going to do anything for it right now. I'm not going to thin the herd. We'll wait till next week. I appreciate you watching, and have a great day.